Oh, nunchucks. Connor's got his new nunchucks. Do it. Connor, you look just like Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee.
Who's your favorite guy in the whole world? Is it Big Bird? Or is it Bruce Lee? Whoa. First set of nunchucks, homemade style. Hey buddy, have you got some nunchuck tricks you can do? That looks pretty awesome. Alright dude, anything you want to say to the people? Anything you want to say to the people?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I love you.